semen. If these guys bad, then I gotta be a demon. Wayne's getting money like
T4C shit, man. We out here, man. We ready to go to a car meet. Shorty.
And leaving stains on the semen. Slide a crack or something so they tame the policeman. Left in a Porsche, came in a carnation. I'm fresh, yeah, the Gucci switch came with the creases. But I'm cold, I just changed with the seasons. Trying to put some cheese on the pieces. If you're looking for
T4C TV.
Broke bitch business, I cannot be your man. Never got his ass whooped until we open up that can. Damn, alley hoop me bands, I'm a slam. Jam freak bitch, I like my Mac touching yams. Pay that opposite around me, I'm a turn it off. I rap for your mans, and I'm sorry for your loss. Should've prayed for them shooters, getting the middle to the cross. I'll let
The car's tough as a bitch, yo. Yeah. They got like it looked like one of them had a McLaurin or something, I mean, Chargers and Hellcats and shit. Car's hard as a bitch. You look high as shit, yo. You're high as a bitch. Little nigga zooted, man. Little nigga first. Man, we out here. We out here, shorty T4C shit, man. Let's get it. We out here at the car meet, man. My boy Jabri. We slid past. Yeah, man, he got his little business going on. Oh shit, I'm a little too close. But he got his little business going on. Yeah, man. You gotta go. Come on. Come with me real quick. I'm
gonna just run the miles on it, and then I'm gonna get the ATS and shit.
Free. You ever had Disaronno?
Yeah, man. If you want your shit clean,
Disaronno?
John Steps, mobile detailing, shorty, my boy Jabri, man. Shout out to my partner, man. Pan the camera. Yes, sir. He getting the cars right, shorty. Casa shit, man. This way, yo, this, yeah, man. That's my boy right here, yo. Casa shit, man. Oh, man.
Who we got over here, yo?
Kanye West looking ass niggas.
Who we got?
Huh?
What's that? Oh,
What?
you got. Introduce everybody.
Oh, yeah, we got my man Courtney. Courtney, man. Long time Casa shit, man. I told y'all. Courtney over here.
Casa since 2011, nigga.
Yeah.
Since 2011.
Since 2011. Then you got my man Darius, man. Yo, he finally cut it off, yo. He finally cut this shit off. I'm happy this nigga did this shit, yo. I'm so happy this nigga did this shit, man. They look like, what's his name off of Power?
I ain't gonna tell you, nigga.
Hey, yo, what's his name off of Power, yo? They had my man in the truck for like 4 seasons.
Yeah, you talking about the lawyer. Had a lawyer in the truck.
That's my boy, though, yo. That's my boy right here, bro. Yeah, man, we out here concert shit, told y'all, yo. T4C shit, man. We out here cooling, though, man. There's a couple hella nice cars out here. Yeah, man. My boy getting that bitch right, you heard? Motherfucker hard. I ain't gonna lie,
I'll let you know, bro.
This smart, bro. My boy the dude, man. Man, got his business going on. They got, hey, what they got, yo? What they got over there?
No, you said on my plate. Fuck.
What they got?
Yo, get on my face, yo.
The fuck? Fuck wrong with you, nigga?
Yo, get on my face before I kick you in your shin, nigga.
Yo, you see what they got, yo?
Niggas is hungry. Yo, it's my first.
Nigga, shut up. Let me see your ride. Where your ride at?
One small section.
Right here. Man, them are clean, shorty. Yeah. Subaru, man. Damn. Pop the hood.
There ain't shit under there.
Oh, it ain't none of that. It's still hard, though. This joint tough.
I got some, though. Oh, somebody's
Clean. Oh, homeboy had this.
You gotta park the car, wait after.
I do got 2 10s in it, though. It is clean as fuck on the inside.
Oh, it's clean. Let me see the other side. Damn. Got the ghost face mask on there. I know you be putting it up, man, so you scare people and shit.
Wait. Oh, you saw it? On the fucking sunroof?
Yeah.
What, just don't take my gun.
Huh? Nah, I ain't gonna take your gun. Yeah, man. Man, that joint clean, shorty. Subaru reaction. With the it, you got the it on here too.
Everywhere.
That thing, that thing
Wolverine jump.
that thing shouldn't even been on the road.
Wolverine dog. Charger jump. Challenger. Charger. One joint clean too.
Like the bubble cars. Okay. I like the. I like car with some character to it.
Okay.
Them sharp cars.
Yeah, we say Subaru. Yeah. She was ready.
Subaru's nice. Australia.
I don't like the new Subaru.
Damn, look at that exhaust. Exhaust pipe's tougher.
They sound mean.
Oh yeah, that bitch sound yeah. That motherfucker hard.
If I take you out and I hit that highway,
That's Darius' brother. That's Darius' brother.
it feels good. But it's like
That's his brother, yo. They look just alike.
I want to say that, yo.
I took the Lexus. I asked Lexus like,
Yo, that's your brother, yo. Turn the camera on to him. Turn the camera on to him. Brother.
hell yeah, I'm about to show you. It be like, it's going on.
Niggas related, yo.
No, that beep will let you know. Like,
Man, that's your brother.
right here, if I tell you.
Y'all siblings. Y'all brothers.
Oh, like, you right there from I had a V8 set. You talking about the, I think the LS460 or 4.
Yeah, I'm wanting one of them.
Yeah, no, it's good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, starting it up, like, you get, and I get the red line all the way to like 8,000 RPM.
Yeah.
Like, bounce up that red line, like, bro, it's a
It's still a VA. Yeah, it's a VA.
yeah, like, it's, people like, oh, they think it's a 350.
Right.
Until you run up on them, like, nah, this is not. This
You're right.
This
Right.
ain't no 500. This guy was like, you pulling away. I was like, what the fuck is that? I'm like,
Cause that's what I thought. I thought this was a 350.
it looks like a 350. Only thing you're able to tell.
It's a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Yo, you got that GCA car, yo. I ain't gonna lie, yo. Engine on that bar.
And what condition did you ride in?
Maserati fast and it's mean too.
Whole 200. He's gonna do a whole 200.
How much you pay?
Out of all of them, you got the biggest one. No Diddy. No Diddy. Edit that out, yo. Edit that out, yo. Out of all of them, you got the biggest one. Edit that out. Edit that out too.
He said it twice. He meant it.
No,
Edit that out too, yo. Edit out both of them, yo.
We're gonna keep that in the video.
Yeah, man.
Pan the camera over here.
Mean, bro.
We're gonna keep that in the video.
Let this distract you from the fact that Hector is running spoons with two V12 engines. It's like, nah, at Race Wars. Well, this motherfucker do sound nice and it look
Yo, he said he went.
He had a C30, foaming tires, fake ass car wash, plug. This nigga don't know what he doing at all. He don't know what he doing. C30 car wash. Mobile deep.
You know, I know what I'm doing. Get you right, man.
They get him right.
You want to plug the mic in for this?
No.
You're a critic, boy, shut the fuck up. I'm a freak, hoe, hit a dog, and I'm in the cut. She don't wait, cause I energize her way too much. If we got up on a pick, ho, it's time to pick it up. And my neck, King Tut, I go up with the goons if I must, and my bitch, oh.
Out here lurking.
Yes, sir.
T4C shit.
You already know big T4C shit.
It's that big road rash, this ain't one-way street. Time to flip the regime, welcome to the new me. She don't know when I land, but she know when I leave. This that raw non-cut, this that young high king, bitch.